Today, I'm showing you how to fix your account is restricted right now on WhatsApp on your Android device. Let's get started. Update WhatsApp. Open Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Tap Update if available to install the latest version. Restart phone. After updating, restart your Android device to clear any temporary issues. Check account status. Open WhatsApp and check if the restriction message still appears. Open WhatsApp settings. If still restricted, tap the three dots in the top right corner of WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Tap Settings from the menu. Access Help Center. Scroll down and tap Help, then tap Help Center. Contact WhatsApp support. Tap Contact Us to open the support form. Explain your problem. In the text box, write a clear explanation. For example, "Hello WhatsApp team, my account has been restricted, but I have not violated any community guidelines. I use WhatsApp for personal communication only. Please review my account and remove the restriction. Thank you." Submit request. Tap Send or Submit to send your appeal to WhatsApp support team. Wait for response. WhatsApp will review your account within 24 to 48 hours. Check your email and WhatsApp notifications for their response. If appeal is denied, if WhatsApp denies your appeal, you may need to create a new account with a different phone number, but make sure to follow all guidelines to avoid future restrictions. And that's it. You've submitted an appeal to unrestrict your WhatsApp account on your Android device. Wait for WhatsApp support to review and restore your account.